Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've made plenty of videos on how to make something like this. Kind of like an Aztec calendar type deal. I didn't put as many in there. But normally I would make it and then curve it to the circle. Well, I started thinking, why not just have it curved to begin with? And I'm going to make two of them because I'm not happy with it. The way this one, I didn't have enough spaces to do too much with it. And well, this will be, well, no, I can't even do that. Because that one needs to stop. Well, it doesn't have to, but then you would take that and weld it together and then Control D, alternate C to put the rotation in the center of the page and then rotate it 20 degrees. And you're going to get that formula or that same thing. So let's do a little bit differently. Let's do some more. So let's draw a 20, well, let's go with 22 inches and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And now let's Control D and make a duplicate and let's make a 14-inch one. Nah, that's too much. Let's go 16. And then we're going to take these two ellipses and we're going to go to Effects and Blend. And I blended them 4 times. I'm going to blend them 6 times this time. So I get these little bitty rings. Now I'm going to take in a 2-point line holding down the control button. I'm going to hit P. And I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. I don't have to do the center rotation because it's going to be in the center. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to mirror that. I'm going to hold down my Alt key and select both those lines. And I'm going to blend 6 times that away. Now, what I'm going to do is kind of go to Control G to group all that together. So I can move it out of the way in a second. And as you can see, I've got more to play with this time. So we're going to kind of maybe just draw the design. Well, that ain't going to work. We'll just draw this. Yeah, we can go back. Well, I actually need one more to make it. Well, you'll get, I don't like that. Let me just back up here. Apologize. Let's do more. So we've got more things to do. And let's blend this. Let's go an odd amount. So let's go 9 times. And then we're going to take, and normally with the blend, you have to break them apart because we're not really using them. I don't have to. Let's rotate it 10 degrees and maybe an odd number will help us. Then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way. And then I'm going to take the Alt key and select those 2 lines. And let's do the same 9. There we go. Now group this together so we can get out of the way in a minute. And let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's just start filling in. Maybe we can do better this time, or I can do better. So you can just play with it to your imagination. And you don't have to keep going straight down, and you don't have to go all the way to the bottom. Once again, I still wish I had more spaces. And you could add, you could have that right there. And you know what? I'm going to back up and go double there and put one there. And then you could put one there. You could put one there. You could put a couple. I don't really like this because it's not going to touch the other ones. So now I'm going to select it all. I'm going to weld it. That kind of puts it all together. Now what I can do is nudge this out of the way. I'm going to bring in my indexing line just to make sure. Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C, and it puts it in the center of the page. And I'm going to rotate it to 20 degrees. Not a bad design. You can play with it a lot more and do whatever you want to with it. But there you go. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas and thank you for watching.